Hi guys, I am Muskan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everyone should keep a journey. मंजिल के बिना सफ़र तय नहीं होता और सफ़र के बिना मंजिल नहीं मिलती. Life is a journey that must be traveled. No matter how bad the roads and accommodations are, fill your life either with good or bad experiences, not the things. Have stories to tell, not the stuff to show. कहती है मुझे ज़िंदगी कि मैं आदत बदल लूँ. बहुत चला मैं लोगों के पीछे, अब थोड़ा खुद के साथ चल लूँ. So guys, you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow in life. Life is a crazy ride and nothing is guaranteed. Life is a journey filled with lessons, hardships, joys, celebrations and special moments that will ultimately lead us to our destination, our purpose in life. The road will not always be smooth. In fact, throughout our travels, we will encounter many challenges. The people that we meet on our journey are people that we are destined to meet. Everybody comes into our life for some or other reason, and we don't know always their purpose in life until it is too late. They all play some kind of role. Some may stay for a lifetime, others may stay only for a short while. The real happiness is to live the present moment at the fullest. Happiness is not a destination, guys, it is a journey. It is continuous and feeling of fulfilled. Happiness is a state of mind, and positive and good emotions creates it. You never know, a little step may be the beginning of the great journey. Always remember one thing. It is not to get better than others. It is to get better than old version of yourself. Every one of us can create a story to share. Some of these stories can be heartbreaking. Some may be uplifting and some stand out to inspire others. What matters is that we can learn from each story and use those lessons to make us better people. जब हमें सब कुछ बहुत easily मिल जाता है, हमें उसकी कदर नहीं होती. If you haven't faced failures, I assure this, you won't be able to know the real value of success. If talking about childhood days, हम लोग कैसे कुछ पाने के लिए ज़िद करते थे. Although that was all out of fun, but for all of us now, it turned to be a memory. It might have happened with everyone that we didn't realize that we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. This might be the truth of everyone's life. That sometimes the people around you won't understand your journey. I feel they don't need to. It's not for them. Life में जब भी ये लगे, why is this happening to me? मेरी लाइफ में ये सब क्यों हुआ? मेरी ही लाइफ में इतनी जल्दी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों आई? Why did I faced all the complications, all the obstacles in my life too early? Always remember that some nights are all about convincing yourself that maybe God's plan are better than my dreams. I feel everyone listening to me must have watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani movie, right? If you guys remember, there was a dialogue called मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. Why are you restricting yourself? Fly as high as you can. Fall as down as you can. But don't stop, guys. शायद कभी सफ़र लंबा हो जाता है, पर आखिर में मंजिल मिलती ज़रूर है. Always keep this in your mind. Life lives, life dies. Life laughs, life cries. Life gives up, life tries. But life looks different through everyone's eye. So I hope you all will make your journey. I wish the best for your journey, guys. Thanks for watching the video.